Financial abuse is the most common form of elder abuse in Canada, according to the government ministers responsible for Seniors Forum. I'm Peter Wouters, here to share 10 safeguards against elder financial abuse. In a document published by the Government of Canada, financial abuse is defined as the illegal or unauthorized use of someone else's money or property. It includes pressuring someone for money or property in situations like being coerced into lending or giving away your money, property, or possessions, finding that there has been a withdrawal from your bank account, or charges to your credit card that you didn't make, or you can't explain, receiving overdue bills that you thought were paid by someone else managing your financial affairs, being pressured into changing legal documents or signing other legal or financial documents that you don't really understand. Most people think that the majority of financial abuse against elders is committed by strangers who come to the door, call on the phone, or send you letters or emails. The sobering fact is that abusers are generally people who have a close connection to you. This may include your spouse or common law partner, your child, another relative, a friend, a neighbor, or a caregiver. Here are 10 tips to safeguard your personal information and protect against financial abuse. Keep your personal and financial information in a safe place. That includes digital information like usernames and passwords for electronic transactions. Ensure that someone you really trust knows where it all is in case they need to step in and handle things when you can't. Work with a lawyer to have an enduring or continuing power of attorney document professionally prepared where you appoint someone you can trust to look after your finances and property when you are unable to look after yourself due to an illness or accident. You may consider appointing more than one person as a safeguard. Include specific duties, powers, and limitations. Consider a backup or contingent person who can step in when your primary choice can't fulfill the role. Include a monitor and reporting requirement that the person named to act for you under a power of attorney must follow so that someone else can regularly review what's happening. Keep a record of money and other valuable things you give away. Write down and record whether it is a loan or a gift, any terms of repayment, and whether gifts of cash or other assets are an advance against an inheritance. Get your own independent legal advice before signing documents for major decisions involving your home or other property. Ask someone you trust to look over contracts, documents, and other papers before you sign them. As they say, watch out for the fine print or what may be missing. Be very careful if you are considering a joint bank account. The other person can take away all the money without asking you, or may lose it if that joint account holder runs into financial difficulty. Someone you appoint under your power of attorney doesn't need to be a joint account holder too. Stay in contact with a variety of friends and family on your own or through social and volunteer groups so you don't become isolated or get isolated because someone is restricting your time and access. Have them do the same with you too periodically, checking that you are really okay. Document activity that is suspicious, unusual, or that is inconsistent with your values, wishes, and best interests. Reach out for help if you feel that you are experiencing abuse, including financial abuse. Ensure that your professional advisors have your written authorization to confidentially share information if they suspect financial abuse.